Hello there, this is an unboxing video of my new 1TB portable hard drive. Before I unbox, I show the box, the front, the sides, and the back. Let's unbox the box. By the way, I have already opened this before then to make sure it's the correct product. Let's pull it out. Put the box aside. Put that aside, the plastic. This is the USB cable to connect the device. The portable hard drive itself. And lastly, the manuals. Here's the device out of the plastic. USB port on top is to connect the device. I think this is the end of the video now. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be alerted for future videos.